It was like a reality show competition. Who can make the safest water heater without exploding? The competition got fierce. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up with boiling hot water on a chilly morning, right? A product dilemma, happiness versus explosion. Talk about tense moments. It was the battle of the century, water heater wars. Ta-da! Fast forward again to now, modern water heaters. We've come a long way, my friends. It's like water heaters have joined the gym and took some classes in mindfulness. We now have solar water heaters, tankless models, and even smart devices. Imagine waking up to the gentle voice of your smart water heater saying, "Good morning. Your water is already hot and waiting for you."